Hello, I'm going to open up disassembling multimeter again. This time it's Keysight U1241B. Probably the newest model is U1241C, but I bought this around 2014 or 15, and that time this was the current model. And this is one of the multimeter I always have on my desk out of 3 and using it. And this is the lead which came with the U1241B, and this is Cat 4, and then it's need to be 4mm or something, only exposable for the high voltage and high current situation. Daily digital circuit and daily electronic or anything, it's for me this is more easier to use. However, the lead itself is good. It's silicone lead and tough shrouded and goes in, and the quality itself is good. I'm going to open up with the number 1 and number 2 screwdriver. I don't think I really opened up this in the past. The last time I opened up was putting the new battery after I bought it, which came with the box. Yeah, seems like how to open it is unscrewing one screw here and push it this knob and open up, which not that easy, but it works. And removing the batteries. It might good if I have a little bit of more easier notch here, but it's alright. And then this is the stand. So 4 screw here. Removing from here. The thing I like this multimeter is 1000 count, which rolls over when its digit goes up, so it regular decimal digit. It's intuitive when it measuring the components or voltage. So 4 screw came out, many space with it sealed, and this is a spring contact going to piezo speaker. Okay, piezo buzzer, I see. And oh, there it is. This is the place. Another dent here being pressed with a spring here. So yeah. Then sealed is touching the ground from here. And one SIBA fuse. Whoops, I need to take it off. Where's another screwdriver? Yeah, one SIBA 440 milliamp 1000 volt. It looks really protected. Probably these 4 screws holding down the PCB board mounting 4mm banana jack, but at the same time it seems to be one of the conductive part is going through the screws to the base PCB. I think this is another fuse underneath the board. So, and this is definitely looks clamp diode and has a slot for protection for arcing over or for the Cat 3 or Cat 4 rating. I don't see a microcontroller, so probably it's on the other side. And then looks like it's I don't know. To take off the main board, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Well, I think I will remove this 4 small screws first, which is holding on the banana jack. Screws feels like it's millimeter screw. Yes, 4 of them are coming off. It comes off really nice. Yes, it does. The screw is part of the conducting part. Yes. Can you see it? And I think I found Agilent. This product is from company name changed from Keysight to Agilent. So Agilent technology U1240 revision 002 the PCB. And I'm going to take off the rest of the screw. One, two in the middle. And it looks really well designed for to be protected multimeter, and the person who is operating using this multimeter with a good separation with a high voltage. By the way, the groove between the uppercase and the lower case is not that deep. I've seen in like Fluke, but it have passed the CSA approval for the CAT rating. It looks nothing special. So this is the contact circle. It's gold plated. The surface of the PCB is really nice, clean. And there's another fuse here. And this is the contact switch. Yeah, looks okay. This is a CBA fuse, 11 amp, 1000 volt, UL rated, made in Germany. 4mm banana jack is the contact molded with inside the plastic. It looks good quality, preventing having a crack when somebody hits the probe in. A very large protection resistor and PTC, I think so. Yeah, PTC, 2 PTC and 2 gas discharge tube, I think so. Yeah, have a slit to prevent it arcing over, and the slit is going through the front plastic case, preventing from arcing. Yeah, I need to take off the LCD with 2 screws here, and probably microcontroller is underneath, and I'm going to upload a high resolution picture on the EV forum. So I'm going to take off the 2 more screws. Yeah. Conductive rubber zebra strip was really sticking together on the PCB. Microcontroller is underneath the sticker, which says U1240, probably firmware written version 3.01. Okay, I was able to remove the sticker, and I'm not really able to read it, so I'm going to take a picture and then magnify it and read the label. It seems to be Samsung Q308 SP825. Yeah, my eye is getting old, 49 years old. So. Did not know the Samsung microcontroller in the past. So microcontroller, and the other side seems this is crystal, and another shift chip. Well, it looks nice. Okay, then I'm going to put this all back again. It's all back again. And let me try. Yes, all the LCD goes on. Yes, it's working. Thank you.